From research design to statical analysis and publication ready research Haiba theme da Numit NIGI OIBA workshop program ama PANGTHOKKHRE Dhanmanjari University gi Department of Commerce ta PANGTHOKPA haukiba workshop program adu da Professor Y Sanbabu Singh, Vice Chancellor Dhanmanjari University, Professor N Jayanti, Dean School of Business Studies DM University, Professor K.S. Rajan Singh, Principal DM College of Commerce DM University, Dr. P. Tikendrajit Singh, Head of Department of Commerce DM University na athoiba mitunglen sing oina saruk yakhe.
Dhanmanjari University na Department of Commerce ki lead tawkanta maina 10 days ki quantitative data analysis using SPSS software si seasonar khanda apni delegates mayam satra scholar so faculty mayam ki sigi training si asi huksabani abjiki matamda apni research haibasi statistical tools amasung techniques si seasonar khanda data si analysis tawkati research CE appointi magi research paper se masi publish to be web si national and international ya se muji matam pandi adon research si halagi sahi kuntra gi mamang da on gi mamang da lagi ba research to be concepts gi muji globally sense to bre muji se adona akoina lai ba gi modern day research scholar musung faculty punamak se muji research paper muji matam da phone ibasing gi pa ba Rigi amasung understand tawbi aragati atuta seasonar research tawbi analysis tawbi seasonar tools se masi ma haidragati masida ki ba 10 page ki oigara page ongi igera masi myam amu hobo ma pa ba hairo khangoi pa atuna atuga loina aikoi ki faculty amasung aikoi ki scholar myamna i ba phone ba paper sing se sisu research tools is seasonar kanda analysis tawdraba atu taragati akoi ki publication mayam sa mo bhawa nationally accept tawba publish tawna be internationally accept tawba sigi emerging level challenge is atu na laiba oza sing si asana masigi tool kharati kai patana haita ba yadaba atu ga oza sing si amuk tool mayam se haitragati mai makhada enroll tawraga pg tawraga satra mayam si moi karamaina amuk mogi supervisors tambitori hiki lairiba challenge aduna Dhanmanjari University huji lairiba ojagi masing se 441 ne huji like this si manungda marak sida khara masu retire tawre tawsu yauri aduna approximately 440 gi maya da apoi da lairiba ojangai ne si ojamayam si statistical tools se amma natraga amma di ma Toro oil of Suya, Madam Adu Hydrogadi, my father, the research scholars, man, guide to Bongamroy. Siki students. Adu Lamdragati, research scholars in Idori Bamusumana, Idori Papers, Masistu, nationally, internationally acclaimed journals in the form of Bongamaro, Yarroy. Aduna, I find out Atopa University Mayamgi, competition gi, Enosida, Lamjin Sida. Competition sida masi yauge akoi ki satra ki mayam ki publication mayam si apa journal the phone ge aduga loni na as a faculty as a teacher I gi paper se so apa journal the phone ge haragati si ki research tool mayam si fa sida understand to what foro oi ba ma takar lai ba ta aduna machine ni akoi na ngasi si ki 10 days ki oi SPSS ki season da ki workshop ma Department of Commerce dan ma se taw le ba se diam thagani ngai ni Project masi yaw pragati pada karimata publication si tawa yaroi adu research si phajana tawa kati aikoi research ki innovative idea ji patent lo bai adu IPR gi kano gi si kana ko yam si loina ma lo bai adu patent tawa kati madu akoina licensing to commercialization to adu du akoina moi idea mayam si ano ba masagi yam creative oiba idea mayam si akoina karam haina commercialize to kan da madu industry da madu input to supply to kan da manufacturing unit ki magi production sectors da adu ge mayam tu sinara kan da economic development da mateng pang ka yai kai ba se loina ma research de thola ka to adu ma si yam important oiba hai ta and
that is something very, very important. And as a state university, state public and a general university, okay, as an is the obviously these lines of how can we make the Numit University the largest university having all these multiple choices and options of studying